Congratulations to the folks at Kiloview for their Cube R1 NDI Recorder system for under $2,500, $2,499. It is a VideoGuys top product of 2023. Why? Because one of the things we've often heard people who are producing shows like we do on multiple cameras, well, you've got 3, 4, 5 different ISO streams plus your program output that you want to record. Well, a lot of times people are putting them on shared storage solutions that might be costing $15,000, $20,000, $25,000. You don't have to do that. With the Cube R1, it'll see up to 9 HD NDI sources on your network. You can record them all, and now you can have them available for you to copy over to another drive or to keep on that drive to be able to be used for video editing, for backup, for archiving, for future streaming. Just a tremendous value, and one of the things that we had so many requests for, because yes, a switcher like a TriCaster can record all your ISO streams, but when you're putting that burden on your mixer or your switcher, you can overwhelm the whole solution. Now you can throw the R1 anywhere on your network. You will see every NDI source and allow you to record them. It is definitely a VideoGuys top product of 2023, the Kiloview Cube R1.